So for day 2, this is 8, 11. We worked backwards. So we are writing a piecewise function given a graph, okay? So the first thing that I want to do is I want to find my divide line. The video just, I don't know what just happened, it just moved. Anyways, so I want to find my divide line. Okay, so that line is going to be where one function stops and another function starts. Okay, so at -2, we have one function stopping and one function starting. So that is going to be my divide line, which sets parameters. Okay, so that means that we are going to have a corresponding function if x is something to -2 and x is something to -2, when one stops and another starts. So I'm going to leave that there for now and work on step 2, which is to find left line function. Okay, so here's my left line, right? It's to the left of my divide line, and that is the function y equals 6. For any x value, y is always 6. So whatever you have here equaling your y is going to be your function. The next thing I notice about this left-hand side graph is that I have an open circle at 6, right? Which means that my sign is going to not include equals to. And we are moving in the left direction, right? We're going more negative, which means that x is going to be less than -2. So now I want to obviously write the equation of my right line. Okay, so 3, right equation for right line. I'm hoping that you guys remember your y equals mx plus b equation for the slope of a line, or just, you know, a line in general. So m is your slope, which is your rise over run. So I am starting at my lowest spot on this line, and I'm just going to go up and over until I hit my next point to the right. So I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over 2, right? Because my graph is counting by 2s here, right? Which simplifies to 3. So my slope is 3, and next I need to find b. Okay, so I hope we remember that b is your y-intercept. So I'm looking at where my function crosses my y-axis, which is right here at 0, 0. So my y-intercept is 0. I go ahead and fill that into my equation, so I'm left with y equals 3x plus 0, which means y equals 3x. Once again, whatever y is equal to goes here. And I notice that with this line, we are on the right side of our divide line, so we're moving more positive, we're going in the larger direction. So x is going to be greater than -2 and equal to, because we have a closed circle there.